O1 The equation of the line passing through the point -3, 1 and parallel to the line which bisects the angle between coordinate axes is 2018. A. X plus y plus 2 equals 0. B. X, y plus 4 equals 0. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. O1. C. Equations of lines which bisect coordinate axes are given by y equals x or y equals x. These lines have slopes 1 or -1. Required line is parallel to any one of these lines and passes through -3, 1. We know that equation of line with slope mond point x underscore 1 y underscore 1 is y. Y underscore 1 equals mx, x underscore 1. Hence, required equations are y1 equals 1 x plus 3, or y1 equals x plus 3. Right pointing arrow y1 equals x plus 3 or y1 equals x3. Right pointing arrow x, y plus 4 equals 0 or x plus y plus 2 equals 0. O2 If P2, 2, 0, 2, 4 and R3, 4 are the vertices of triangle POR, then the equation of the median through vertex R is 2019. A. X plus 3y9 equals 0. B. X plus 3y plus 9 equals 0. C. X3y9. D. X3y plus 9 equals 0. O2. D. We have P equiv 2, 2q equals 2, 4r equals 3, 4 are the vertices of increment POR. Let S be the midpoint of PQ. Rightwards double arrow S equals 0, 3. Rightwards double arrow S equals 2 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 4, 2. Therefore, equation of median RS is rightwards double arrow y3, 3 to 4 equals x0, 0 to 3 i.e. y3 minus 1 equals x minus 3. Rightwards double arrow 3y plus 9 equals x i.e. x3y plus 9 equals 0. O3 The x-intercept of the line which passes through points A 12 and B 2, 3 is 2019. A minus 7, B minus 3, C 7, D 3. O3. A we have A 1, 2 and B 2, 3. Therefore, equation of line AB is y2, 2 to 3 equals x1, 1 to 2. Rightwards double arrow y2, 1 equals x plus 1, 3. Rightwards double arrow minus 3 y2, minus 1 x plus 1. Rightwards double arrow 3y plus 6 equals x1. Hence, x-intercept equals minus 7 over 1 equals minus 7. O4 The number of lines passing through A 1, 2 and making equal intercepts on the coordinates axes is 2019. A 1, B 3, C 4, D 2. 09. A. As per given condition, we write P_1 equals minus 5 cos 2 theta sqrt sin squared theta plus cos squared theta. And P_2 equals minus 5 equals 25 cos squared 2 theta plus 25 sin squared 2 theta equals 25. Hence, P_1 squared plus 4P_2 squared equals 25. 10. The Cartesian coordinates of the point whose polar coordinates are 1/2, 120 degrees are 20, 20. A. 1/4, sqrt 3, 4. B. 1/4, sqrt 3, 4. C. 1/4, sqrt 3, 4. D. 1/4, sqrt 3, 4. C. Given PR, theta equals 1/2, 120 degrees. Rightwards double arrow R equals 1/2, theta equals 120 degrees. So, x equals r cos theta equals 1/2 cos 120 degrees equals 1/2 minus 1/2. Rightwards double arrow x equals minus 1/4. And y equals r sin theta equals 1/2 sin 120 degrees equals 1/2 sqrt 3, 2 equals sqrt 3, 4. Hence, required is p minus 1/4 sqrt 3, 4.